Alright, this is really weird talking to a camera, but yeah, I got my Louvers. Yeah, they're gonna go right there. Yeah. Yeah, this is it. I just put these plates on it. That's my doggy. That's my other doggy. Okay. But yeah, Louvers. I ordered them a couple days ago. Just got them today. Yeah, installing them. Gosh. Oh yeah, I got a little excited. I got a little excited. Oh my god. I opened the box without recording anything. But yeah, I wanted to make a video on this, so here I am now making a video on this. I think my neighbors are there. My neighbors are listening to me talk to a camera, and this is really weird. Okay. Oh, peep the fake Yeezys. Boy. Put the plates on. Plates, I guess they're called. Yeah, it's kind of hard. I had to screw that little guy right there. I had to screw that in, and I had to do that for all of them while it was upside down, so it's kind of hard. Anyways, I'm gonna try to put it on the car myself now, which is probably not gonna work. I'm probably gonna need someone else to help me. But I'm gonna go ahead and try it anyways. Clean the window. Looks very nice. Cleaned it with some acetone. I know I probably shouldn't have. I know that's probably not what you're supposed to. Let me get that good shot. Boom. Yeah, it's probably not what you're supposed to do. Oh man, this is really weird. You're talking on camera. But yeah, clean it with acetone. And yeah, now I'm gonna just go ahead and try to put it on. Yeah. Oh, it's like 110 degrees out here, man. It's too hot. I put it on here, but I haven't actually put it on. Well, yeah, I haven't actually put it on. I placed it on. But this sign, man, oh god. So I placed it on there. Damn, oh, looks good. Anyways, I don't know how to do this. I think I'm gonna take half of it off, half of the tape off first. Damn, I'm bad at this. It's looking good. I like it. Yeah. Okay. Struggled to put it on there, but I think I got it down pretty good. That's my dad. That's my dad. That's my doggo. My doggo. And yeah. Now I'm unbolt them. Unbolt these things right here. And I don't know why I'm gonna do that. I just feel like I should. And then I'm gonna bolt them back. I'm gonna make sure that the plates are stuck on there the way they're supposed to be. And yeah, after that, I think I'm done. And that's the look. And I'm pretty happy with it. Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Looks good. Alright, so I took it off now. Got the plates on here. Just took it off to make sure that the plates are on there tight. Tight. I don't know if that's the right word. Tight. If they're on securely, firmly, and yeah, I think it's good. Shout out to my dad, talking on the phone. Somewhere over there. Oh. I don't remember what the last clip was. It's probably me yeah, I don't remember, but I took it off and I made sure that all the plates were securely placed on there firmly. I opened my gas cap. Oh, okay. Yeah, I put it on. I put it back on. About to put the bolts back on. The bolts. I think they're called bolts. Whatever these guys are. Yeah. Put those back. Oh no. I'll go ahead and put the bolts back on. Tighten them, and then I think I should be good. It's done. Whew. Damn it. Oh, it's so. It came with little rubber washers. I'll put those on. I don't know why, but I did. I think I was supposed to. I mean, it came with them, so I think I was supposed to. But yeah, and it's all done. Whew. It's so hot, but yeah, I finished it. Looks good. Like it. I'm happy. To check the inside and how it looks. I mean, oh gosh, it's so much hotter in here than it is outside. Oh god. Yeah, so it's good. I could still see a lot. Oh wow, I'm gonna melt in here. oh, but yeah, it's good. That's it. I'm done. On to the next mod. It's the first time I talk in a video, so might be a little weird, might be a little cringy, it might be a little dumb, but I mean, it's still fun. Yeah.